Are you ready to have fun with flowers? You know, we're always doing that around here, but today it's going to be pumpkins, witches' hats, and witches' legs. Yeah, we're making our cute kit, our newest witch swag kit. You are going to love this. Yep, it comes with full rolls of ribbon and everything you need. All you're going to need is a glue pot, scissors, some wire cutters, and of course, some cable ties. Black ones if you have them, because they will coordinate really well. But if not, no worries. We are going to make this adorable. Hey, Blue Marinos, I'm Keleas, and welcome to Keleas.com. I'm glad you're here. I hope you're excited to make something cute with us. And during the different times of the seasons, we love to make whimsical pieces too. And they don't always involve the flowers, but they involve these really fun components that are, they're just exciting to work with and cute. So if you have never seen us do a kit before or never seen a video and you're brand new, no worries. A lot of times I have kits and they're available till they're sold out. You might see a video later after something's already gone and out of stock, but you can always use that as inspiration. And on this one, we are going to make our whole background out of the swag, and it's really just a big glittery branch that comes in this kit. That's going to be our background. And of course, I'm going to use some black and white fun pumpkin picks that are going to go in there and coordinate perfectly. Then we've got a cute witch's hat, and it's flat on the back, so it works perfect to be the hat of our girl. And this girl, she's wild. She's got these fun legs that are rocking and rolling. So we're going to put this together. So let's get started first with our base. Now, in design school, you're always going to hear me say you need to shake hands with the piece. And what that means is we want to take and just open it up. So I want to make sure that I utilize any wire that's in the base and kind of get that opened up. Now I'm going to come over and kind of start to lay this puppy out. And I know I want her cute little legs to come down like she is, like maybe this is her broomish twig that she's trying to ride here on the door, and like let it kind of work around. I love adding dimension just by weaving those in a little, just like that. And we can have these legs go in different directions, something like that. And then you want to make sure that these stems are staying together up here at the top. So this is when you're going to grab your cable ties, and we're going to start to kind of cluster things together. And you're going to love how quickly these come together. So even if you're a beginner or you want to make this with the grandkids, perfect project, because it just doesn't take a lot of supplies. I have some hot glue if we need it, but I don't know that we'll need a bunch. Now bring this over. I'm going to need another cable tie up here to kind of keep this buddy all in line. Okay, just like that. Easy peasy. So her legs are on. Now I want you to think about, how do I want her hat? It's got a really nice long stem that the hat could go against. So that'll be kind of perfect. And if I do that, then I can have my pumpkins and my bow. You see what I mean? This is going to come together really fast and fun. So I'm going to flip this around, and I think we could probably just be able to hang it in between these two wires, so we don't have to add a hanger. I'm happy with that. I'm going to rotate this around, and the hat, we've got to pin it right here. And one of the best supplies you can use whenever you have to pin something is a floral pin. I'm going to grab those because I got my little box of floral pins. Oh my gosh, I just almost took out the whole table. There's my glue pot. So when we get a floral pin, it's a little metal pin. You buy these at the craft store. Okay, and you're going to need some of those. You're going to need some cable ties to do this kit. And what I can do is just flip this around so you guys can see what we're doing on the back. But I'm going to just be able to pin this right along here to attach it now, because we made two little areas. So sometimes you guys don't have to have a base when you make your next project. You can create your own base out of other pieces. So I'm just popping these into the foam that's on the hat, just like this, so we get nice, secure. pieces. And we're going to need that all the way along. I'm getting more floral pins. Okay. You got it. This is not difficult at all. Just be careful you don't pop through the top of the foam if the foam gets skinnier. Right? Because these have a certain length here. Pop it in. You want to hear that pop, you know you're through the fabric. But I mean, that's so neat and easy. Now, if you want to make these to sell and you're going to buy some kits, I would put a little ribbon right over there to make it a little more neat. And you could possibly add your own little hanger here that was separate and a little more neat and clean. But overall, if you're just making it for yourself, I don't think you have to go to all that extra work. But you can if you want to. That was the little hanger for the hat. I just pulled it off. I think we're good to go. Now let's flip it back around. Look how cute. And it has its own little bow right there. So she's going to hang just like that. You're going to spread out her little legs. Now, the idea is we fill up the body with a bow right here where her head would be under her hat. We'll be making a bow out of this. I make the bows on separate videos. So grab the link here and we'll show you how we make the bow. But we're going to use a bow here. And now the last part of our kit is our pumpkin spray that has these fun little twigs, but then it has black and white pumpkin. So it goes so perfect with our project. And you definitely want to take and spread these out. Shake that out. Shake hands. Hello. Get everybody moving and happy. And then this is going to fill in right on top of her body. But I'm going to leave a little room for the bow. So now we've got this cute little accent. We've got legs moving in and out. She's riding this broom. Pumpkins. She's just looking so cute. Okay, so I like that there. Let's just flip this around. I'll also attach this in the same little area. So grab another cable tie. But you know, you're going to have extra Harlequin ribbon. So we could definitely just go over this attachment zone and just kind of neaten it up a little bit. Clean it up to make it look pretty back here. If you want to. Okay, that spray is on. I'm happy. Oh, cute. I love how it just looks like she's going to be flying. And now it's bow time. So with the bow, here's our cute bow. I know it's adorable. It's really going to tie this all together. You're going to pull that right on top of the legs where it tucks right where her head would be. Flip that around. I'm sorry, I knocked my ribbon down. And we're going to get that tied on there. And then what you want to do is pull that tight and then we'll go fluff that up. Can you believe how fun and easy these are? If you have sconces outside your home, like lights that are separated, this would be so cute to get two of these, put one on either side. Y'all, oh my gosh. She is so cute. I want that leg to go that way. You know, these long, cute legs, you can have so much fun with them. Look at this. Is that not the cutest? We ended up not even really needing much glue just for the pins, but we made it together. Y'all, isn't she precious? I can't wait for you to take this and hang it up on your door and tell everybody you made it. You made it sweet and simple and easy, and I think it's adorable. I can't wait to see what you make, Blue Merinos. Y'all go have fun with flowers and funky witch legs. I think this is so cute. Bye, everybody. Promos now. Hey, guys, look what we're going to make together. Yeah, you want to make your own little witch? Let me make this screen bigger. Get it wide as I can. The glue pot out of here. Hey, Blue Merinos, do you see how cute this witch is? She's ready to hang on your door. You want to make one with us? I'm going to show you how. Quick and easy. And of course, we've got a kit. So get in here. Let's have fun with flowers and witches. This is adorable. Hey, Blue Merinos, do you never want to miss a video just like this one? If you don't, get on our text list. Grab a spot at 832-734-5201. Text us VIP. We'll put you on the list. And then you won't miss another video just like this cutie. Oh, I can't wait to make it. Are you ready to make this with me? Because I'm going to show you how. Hello, everybody. I'm Keleas. Welcome to Keleas.com, where we have fun with flowers every day. And I'm going to show you how to make this cute project. I know you're going to love it. Okay, that should be some good audios that would be universal, Nicole. And she turned out really cute. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.